Good morning everyone. I Sujata. Today we will do an email writing. First of all, let's see what is an email. An email is a method of composing, sending stories and receiving messages over an electronic communication system. It is the cheapest way of communicating. Email is of two types, formal email and informal email. A formal email is written for business communication or professional use. The email written for any government department like school, authority, company or an officer are the formal emails. Use of polite and formal words. The reason for writing mail, clarity, proper greeting and closing are some of the rules of the formal email. And next one is informal email. An informal email is written for any friends, family member or relatives. In this mail, we use polite, friendly and casual words along with the proper greetings and closing are the sum of the rules of the informal email. Point to be noted while writing an email. First of all, read the question carefully. Draw a proper layout. Write carefully salutation, sender address, the receiver address and the subject. Use grammatically correct sentences. Use proper punctuation marks to avoid any confusion. Next one is do not use abbreviations or slangs. It is not allowed in the exams. For example, we should use because instead of this type of because. You instead of single letter of you. 7.1 is use simple vocabulary and short paragraphs. End your email with a complimentary close. Write sender's name at the bottom and the 10th one is remember that the sender address and receiver address do not contain capital letter or any space between the letters and words. Let's see the format with the help of example. Format of email writing. Here is the format of email writing. First of all, from. From means we will write here sender email ID. To, we will write receiver email ID. CC. Here we can write if we are sending the same email to any other individual. And BCC means if other individuals are receiving the same mail with invisible IDs. Subject. In the subject, we will write reason of writing the mail. Reason of writing the mail should be authentic and should be relevant. Subject should not be too long. After that, salutation. Like word like dear and respected we can use. Then we come to the main body. In the main body, first of all, we will give the introduction. In the introductory part, we can talk about the matter and then we will come to the body of the matter. In the body, we will explain the matter in details and then we'll come to the conclusion. And conclusion should be with the some solution. Now, we will come to the closing. In the closing, we should have some ending statements. And last is the signature line where sender's name and signature can come. So this was the format of email writing. We can understand with the help of an example. Here we have question. You are recently experiencing problem with your internet connection. Write an email to the company which provide the connection. So you are supposed to write an email to the company so that you can sort out the problem and you can do your work properly. First of all, from. Here we will see the sender email address. 2. Here will be the receiver address, CC and BCC we have talked earlier, and then come to the subject. In the subject, you are writing complaint about internet connectivity. Next, Next will be the salutations. Dear sir or ma'am, it is with great sorrow that I write you today regarding my internet service. While your service has never had problems before, recently I have experienced severe interruptions to my internet as well as low speed. I have previously put in a request for resolving the problem with the customer care, but to no effect. I have established to my satisfaction that the problem is beyond my control and that you are not providing the service I am paying for. I work online, so it is essential the customer care, but to no effect. I have established to my satisfaction that the problem is beyond my control and that you are not providing the service I am paying for. I work online, so it is essential that I should have internet that is functional. If you cannot guarantee service, I will have to move to another provider. It will be highly appreciated if you respond to my complaint as soon as possible. In the last, expecting a prompt resolution, sincerely, Aki Raffle. So, this was an example of email writing. I hope you have understood. Thank you.